You've tried before, you quit again, but this time will be different. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they try to change everything at once. You've promised yourself, I'll wake up at 5 a.m., I'll work out, I'll journal, I'll meditate, and for 1 or 2 days, maybe even a week, you do it. But then, one bad morning, one missed workout, and suddenly, it's over. Again. Today, we're going to break that cycle. Let's talk about why you actually can't stay consistent and how to fix it for good. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain is built to avoid discomfort. So every time you try to change, and especially something difficult, your brain resists. Not because you're weak, but because your brain wants to protect your current identity. That's why motivation fades. That's why you sabotage. That's why you just forget to do the thing. There's a rule. Simple, powerful, and most people ignore it. The 3-second rule. If you want to build a habit, don't wait. You have 3 seconds to act before your brain talks you out of it. Get up, write it down, take the first step. That's how you rewire yourself. Not with motivation, with fast, small action. Consistency isn't doing a perfect routine. It's doing something even tiny every day. Want to start journaling? Don't write a page, write 1 sentence. Want to build discipline? Make your bed every day. Small wins compound. Discipline is like a muscle. Train it small, and you'll be strong when it counts. Here's your challenge. Pick one habit, just one. Set a 3-second rule for it. No overthinking. Track it for 7 days. Even a single check mark keeps the brain committed. And remember, missing 1 day doesn't mean you failed. Missing 1 day means you start again tomorrow. That's it. You don't need more motivation. You need momentum. You start that momentum with one decision right now. And in the next video, we'll reveal the invisible habit that controls your life. It's already running your day, and you don't even know it. See you there.